Hello, some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what are the two ways to install Xcode on a macOS. The first way is, guys, is go to developer.apple.com/Xcode. You can drag it down. The Xcode look and feel will look like this. Now the Xcode 16 is the latest version. So click on download. You can download Xcode. Now it will ask you for the Apple ID here. Okay. So this is one way. The other way is go to the Apple Store, type search Xcode here, click on enter. So this is another way to get an Xcode. Just click on get and install. Hope I like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.